What if one journey could take you through the heart of ancient empires, the soul of Renaissance art, and the romance of floating cities? Welcome to Italy, where every street tells a story, every sunset feels cinematic, and every moment becomes unforgettable. This is not just a vacation. This is the Italian Triple Experience with wonderful holidays. Italian Triple Tour. Day 1. Arrive in Rome. The journey begins in Rome, the eternal city. As soon as you arrive, Italy welcomes you with warm sunsets, historic streets, and timeless charm. The aroma of fresh espresso fills the air, ancient architecture surrounds every corner, and suddenly you realize you're finally in Italy. And you may also add on Rome, Vatican tour with the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica for $89 per person. Day 2. Ancient Rome Experience. Today we step back nearly 2,000 years into the glory of the Roman Empire. Standing before the mighty Colosseum, you can almost hear the echoes of gladiators and roaring crowds. The Roman Forum reveals the political and cultural heartbeat of ancient civilization, while Palatine Hill offers breathtaking views over the eternal city. And you may also add on Rome, south of Italy, Tuscany tour with lunch and wine, including transportation and a guide, for $169 per person. Rome doesn't just preserve history, it lets you live inside it. Day 3. Leisure in Rome. Rome is best experienced slowly. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain and make a promise to return. Wander through charming cobblestone streets, admire the beauty of Vatican City, or simply sit at a cafe with authentic Italian gelato in hand. Because sometimes, the best travel moments are the unplanned ones. In Rome, even getting lost feels magical. Day 4. Florence Arrival. Leaving Rome behind, we journey north toward Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Every train ride through Italy feels like a moving painting, with vineyards, hills, and timeless villages passing by your window. And you may also add on 1. Florence, Accademia and Uffizi Galleries guided visit with lunch, $139 per person. 2. Additional nights in Florence will be $89 per person per night. Day 5. Explore Florence. Florence is elegance in its purest form, a city where art, architecture, and history blend into one unforgettable experience. Walk the same streets once graced by Michelangelo, Dante, and the Medici family. From the magnificent Santa Maria del Fiore Cathedral to the iconic Ponte Vecchio, Florence captures the soul of Italy. Florence doesn't ask for your attention, it quietly steals your heart. Day 6. Tuscany Full-Day Experience. Today is pure Italian magic. Welcome to Tuscany, a land of vineyards, medieval villages, and unforgettable flavors. In Monteriggioni, ancient stone walls transport you into another century. Siena impresses with Gothic beauty and timeless piazzas, while San Gimignano rises like a medieval dream above the Tuscan hills. And then comes the true Tuscan experience. Premium wines, fresh olive oils, and countryside views so beautiful they almost don't seem real. Tuscany isn't a destination, it's a feeling. Day 7. Leisure in Florence. Your final day in Florence is yours to enjoy. Sip coffee beside Renaissance architecture, discover hidden alleys, or simply pause and absorb the beauty around you. Florence teaches you one thing: luxury is found in moments, not just places. Day 8. Venice Arrival. Next stop, Venice, a floating masterpiece unlike anywhere else in the world. Here, roads become canals, and every corner feels cinematic. And you may also add on Venice, sparkling wine and Italian Prosecco tasting, $49 per person. Day 9. Discover Venice. Venice feels like stepping into a dream. Explore the grandeur of Doge's Palace, cross the legendary Bridge of Sighs, and admire the breathtaking beauty of St. Mark's Basilica. As evening falls, glide through Venice's canals on a romantic gondola ride while the city glows under golden lights. And you may also add on Venice, Private gondola ride, $114 per person. Some cities impress you. Venice stays with you forever. Day 10, departure. As this unforgettable Italian journey comes to an end, the memories remain forever. From the ancient wonders of Rome to the artistic soul of Florence and the timeless romance of Venice, Italy becomes more than a destination. It becomes part of you. So, ready to experience Italy in luxury and style? Let Wonderful Holidays create your next unforgettable journey. Visit our website today and turn your dream vacation into reality. Wander the world beautifully with Wonderful Holidays.